Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see how to use a page in the Power BI as a tooltip for any visuals. I have loaded the data from AdventureWorks. I have loaded fact, internet sales, and dim customer. These both tables are related with customer key. If you double click this relation, you can see it is many to one relationship. So one customer have placed multiple orders in the fact internet sales table. And I selected the cross filter direction as both. I'll tell you why we have need to select this both. Okay. So this is my modeling design. If I go to the report view, in my page one, I have created a table with dim customer data. I have called some customer key, his first name, his education, and his marital status. Okay. In the page two, I have added a visual table which got some columns like customer key, his order quantity, and his sales amount. So whenever a user hovers, like mouse overs for a particular row, a tooltip needs to be popped out with the respective customer data. So I'm placing my cursor on 11005 customer key row. So I need to see in a tooltip his first name, his marital status, and all, which is in the page one. Okay, this is the requirement. So first step is whenever you're pointing in a fact internet sales table, you want to see dim customer data. So by default, when you load these two tables, the relation will be only single way. Okay, you need to make it bidirectional, both, because whenever you select a row in the dim customer, it needs to filter in the fact internet sales, as well as when you select something in fact internet sales, it needs to filter the data in dim customer. That's why I made it both. Because here, this is a fact internet sales data. By pointing, I want the data in the dim customer table. Okay, this is my first thing. I have added the tables in both the pages and I have made the relation as both direction. Fine. Now we need to convert this page one as a tooltip. If you click on any space in this page one, you can select the format page, go to the page information. The first step is allow use as tooltip. You should make it is on. So this will make this complete page to be acting as a tooltip. And next one, go to the canvas setting and here the default type is 16:9, right? So make it as a tooltip. See, the visual has been updated. The look and feel of this looks like a tooltip, right? The same box will be appearing in the page 2. Now, next, when I go to page 2, select this visual because you want the tooltip to this particular visual, right? Now, select this visual, go to general formatting, go to tooltips, enable it, click on and select the type, the report page, right? I want a page to be popped up, right? So select the page name. As of now, I haven't updated any name to the page one, right? So it is giving me page one. Yeah, fine. Now, if I go back and just mouse over cursor on any of the customer key row or any column of the row, that particular row pointing is giving me page one as a tooltip. See, not only in these two tables, like in general, you can implement this navigation for a quick understanding of the inner details, internal details. Hope this is useful. Thank you.